Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, who is intelligent? And if you ask, what is the benefit by going to the planet back to Godhead? That is assured in the Bhagavad-gita. Mājupeta kaunteya dukkhalayam asasatam nāpivati. If you come to me, then you won't have to accept again this material body, which is full of miserable knowledge. He will remain in the spiritual body. So our Krishna consciousness movement is meant for allowing, elevating all living entities. It is not for all. It is very difficult. But anyone who has accepted this Krishna consciousness movement, if he follows the principle, then he is surely going to back to God. That is all. But if you deviate, if you become attracted by Maya, that is your business. But we are giving you information. This is the process, simple process. Chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, be purified. We remain always liberated from material classes. Taptadya, Mahamudita, Janma Karma Medibam Jujana. If you simply try to understand Krishna, then Taptadya, after quitting this body, he will come to me. So this is our philosophy. It is very simple. Everything is explained in the Bhagavad-gita. You try to realize and preach this kind for the benefit of the whole world, then everyone will be happy. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.